Well, two things. First of all, when I was county attorney, I had a record on a range of issues, and people can read more about them at voteandrethomas.com. But we tackled things from pollution that had been in the Tres Rios area that had been cleaned up. We drove down the crime rate. I ended plea bargaining, as we know it, in fulfillment of a campaign promise for serious violent criminals. We increased the incarceration rate 29%, and crime went down throughout the valley, and indeed throughout the state, because the valley crime rates drive the state crime rates. So these are other areas. There are a whole range of issues that I have successfully addressed in the past. But I keep talking about illegal immigration, and I will continue to, because number one, it is politically incorrect to talk about it, and our failure to talk about it, not for years, but for decades, is what has put us behind the eight ball. And second, if we don't deal with this issue very soon, as a state, if we do not deal with it successfully, it will be too late. Other states have been overwhelmed by illegal immigration. They are not able to pay their bills. They don't seem to care very much. They will eventually. I don't want to see that happen to Arizona. And so this is something I'm passionate about. It is at the heart of why I entered politics. When I ran for Maricopa County Attorney 10 years ago, I had the slogan, "Stop Illegal Immigration," on my signs. I saw it was an important issue. It has now become more acceptable to at least talk about the issue. But since I left office, all those efforts have unraveled. All of our success has been washed away, and we need somebody who's going to be very tough and very focused in dealing with this issue that will not go away.
All right. I believe it is now time for our 1-minute closing remarks, and we'll go in reverse order of our opening statement, which means Thomas.
You get another dose of me. Well, I want to thank you all again for hosting this apparently final debate before the primary election. And again, thank you for your service to your communities. Arizona faces an important choice. That's true in every election. But to conclude the comments that I began before, if we do not address the heart of the matter in the state and get somebody who is willing to, these other issues are important, but they are dwarfed in importance. They are dwarfed in relevant importance given the serious situation we have on the border. Jobs, education, healthcare, those are important issues. I have positions on those. I urge you, if you're curious, go to voteandrethomas.com and read about them. But I want to conclude here, as I began this campaign and indeed my political career. This issue is a very tough issue to solve. Taking on illegal immigration is not just having a press conference or running a bill at the legislature. It is literally about taking on the entire political, legal, and media establishment for years, and all the attacks that come from that, to have success. And I succeeded where others failed. We stopped illegal immigration before. As governor, I'll do it again. And if we do that, things will get better, and Arizona will continue to be one of the great places on earth in which to live. Thank you, and God bless you.